Mo fa abotire kanko. Ba Ken Ofori Atta obeba da be. Ke Ghana for who said we are sitting. Ken Ofori Atta dem say Ghana ban na da bodo ho ka. Ene ma men kan sam ncho ma mo yan nkyire wo. Jo Mahamadu Bawumia Ken Ofori Atta ho ka.
Gwen. Ojaye.
Nana no call parliament because Ken Ofori Atta ko no amfa on one passport na ko. Ken Ofori Atta or the diplomatic passport na ko. As a foreign affairs, as finance minister. That time not your finance minister 10 years. But diplomatic passport there the man no. Na position na a woman no a finance minister of the Republic of Ghana. That time no course or course no ho ya no. E ya ban ene tuai.
Ikachuli say
aban ne sesan ye wie no e ka ne bia so ba na ya ban ne tua because ya catch them me Kojo smart say government is a continuous process. What say
Na otina na ndonka.
Ebushafo Ken die oye nyankyere yentime wene nam abotreka oye koto onde ye wene nam
Esoro kwasia na esoro nyansafo.
Sabrante na ye boni ya me yemfa nche no na mmum eba ne sen ye no ane sen e na amene entia Ken Ofori Atta ye say anhwe be che Attorney General we misi minjidi ndi. Ebe jina simpie so be catch say obeba da ben. This month. Ba catch say Ken Ofori Atta beba end of January. And then they say and then 27th aka 3 days yeah second beba. Ken Ofori Atta no beba ending of January no. The next agenda date our US April.
You would be an one or den utcha.
Me Dominica Yeni. I respect him, but I don't trust him. I like him. I may even choose to love him, but I don't trust Dominica Yeni. Adia tiwa ye bi wo krom hand the same thing that Dominica Yeni ye tiwa catch and say oh sa gas na water crowd no enipo ku won ya kwache won ya the gas ne basis ya tiwa patron gas no he Dominica Yeni so catch and say oh Ken Ofori Atta oh he's coming he's on his way Ken Ofori Atta is on his way say Ken Ofori Atta November January ending and then 23rd 30 days has September April June and November all the rest are 31 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest are 31. So December, January is 31st. I got 4 days. Meanwhile, US for the party not to jail. I got to say, yes, I'm somewhere 16 for what the April. You're finding April. Into Dominica any. Ken Ofori Atta any or better.
When we are signs and symptoms.
Benji Dominica Yeni ndi baku. Benji ni yo. I respect him. I love him. But I do not trust that man. As an attorney general. I trust him as a lawyer. I trust him as a law lecturer.
It's a shame.
I trust him as whatever.
It's a shame.
Member of parliament. But as an attorney general, I don't trust Dominica Yeni. What him say? MPP for a 3 years to come NDC for join their campaign. One way and one. MPP for now. Yeah, just also. Nana do who ye he. Just also. Nana do who ye he. Just also. Yes, sir. MPP for now. Won sunya sikani bi etia sikani bi ema NDC for no sa MPP for no ye nche won JH Yabotrem be races here. After the next 5 minutes to finish. Session of Akachere say latest by 7:50. That match power also 7:50. Say Mary. Timi Yemeni 7:50. Because I say I na radio phone eyi free mu a. Command the catch I na dedodo. Timin check. Session of min check. Or say captain say yes sir. Unche. So Mr. Shanov unche.
And the law is the law. And the law is the law.
Before they talk to us, can you won't? Befia, Shamanim. When the Kwabena Agyapong head this, can all demand this for your campaign? I know the chance. No. Sir, Mimi Trefia Hakase, Abraham, or corrupt. Nti me kwache Peter corrupt me kwache ba me kwato iPad Peter etua 70%, Abraham etua 30%. Ade akira mba ya na me sal iPad we ya betra ha de ye adwuma na me wi amaka chom so mo ye corrupt sikara mo de ma me so koto ni kofa ne
ho ye me hipa sa boy
NDC for
MPP ni
NDC for me wa ho me bi ase amba ye no ade a menim ye no kore asan me no awie me see attorney general we me Kwajo smart me njini. I respect him. He's a fantastic man. But as an attorney general, I don't trust him. Because on one case, I can negotiate. Negotiation, the end was so I did to Abontain. I on Net2 TV, so to say, or press conference and here. Sir, as me Siaba, or negotiate, as me Siaba, near the TV, camera says you were so near negotiation. Said I say, Pacho, ending of January, Ken Ofori Atta Missing. Is Ken coming?
As they say,
on what April? And you be said, then bad is saying, and they say, yeah, me no can say, yeah, a trick gun for someone who Ken Ofori Atta, and you be a or you nipa chen wound to me.
Levels don't change.
Ono kura de onye professor, your Professor Christopher Aremeyaw Akunfi. Ameyaw Akunfi kura de yere your ba hima or a Paramount Queen mother.
Told her.
Professor Christopher Ameyaw Akunfi $2 million asempe ne yeka. Enumpo no finance ministry led by Ken Ofori Atta na catch said transfer the money. Bra. Ne enfentia nkofo ne ka. Enti Professor Christopher Ameyaw Akunfi I don't know. Says he can so DBO, say when DBO. Papa Kokurei, former Minister of Education, former Minister of Ports and Harbors, former Director General, Ghana Education Service, or that sell 1 week, you know, you'll be a man bill. Back in Ofori Atta, or that beautiful, expensive apartment, Ghana and Triaka.
Told her.
America. Hey. Pacho oyeni pache Professor Christopher Ameyaw Akunfi mwa
1 CD 2 CDs
Kwabena Agyapong ahe oye obeye Signals Bureau Director, National Signals Bureau kromha we ya wro ne ho etwa picture koma ne kunu e ho nenam ya mafia bisa Sammy Gyamfi bisa okuje to ablakwa Nabusa, Deputy Chief of Staff, yeah, wabi papa ya branch your friend say. Minu journalist.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey. Stand away. So omo almost say. Time and nkrofo bi pese, omo de niam bi ye niam bi no. When e ma eteto e ma won. Say na simesi pese oye, say na simesi pese obe, say na simesi pese oye. Ah, e ma omo ho ti bi to na ye dubu aye. Sana ko MPP, samo se o MPP do. some say na do here MPP no problem granted say no MPP ni a e den na MPP ni mo mu a o pese MPP ba power no ade e betimi ama wa ko opposition no o te to kire mu ere no te to ye do ba bia wo ese say ye boy citizens ho ban e den na obi o te aso dem say ye Ghana for ye nyame som man eti sanka obi po bi acheda ye man mfa ni die man Yakopon anam cause the party asori dem den na sa amre no kufu aban mfa ni die amanyame no ko ti obi wa asori dem
o ka bibi sesi aso ye be chi wa
Kwame Nkrumah e the PDA by sa woni ne nyaadwen na wa ye bone a na wa chi wa koto nsawom
Tróuble.
den na je kufu a oye UPD MPP president okwati chachu wa so dem
o ka bibi sesi aso ye be chi wa
pacho eno any PDA eye pe ana de hin na chain de hin so bit ya so dem ye tibi chi no bit sport every Sunday ye kwachi na nka de mienu de hin na nka ye saka de otia patasi ba e de ye chi na nka ye fine otia so dem ne akwachi no eje ku for time adelai
Illiteracy is a disease.
pacho ku for time Victor Salome when who again Peter now ni Ghana ha when Victor Salome wan kwaje la mama be wu anamwa pacho that's a PDA
the king of morning shows.
na Kwame Nkrumah wu kwada daada eti oman bia no wade a oya enipa ode oman ne ba ye ni su ne ban ne na de yo utwu mu tan ubedi mampani ebi baba be wura mu
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Kwame Pepra hwekwan a ye che no na hwe Victor Salome kwan a ye fa so a ye che no hwe ye friend saying Chachuchi kata
I don't know.
hwe kwan a ye fa so a ye che no Patro that time no na PDA e wo ho de Kwame Nkrumah de ba na UP4 say ye de teche wo no no na wo ho
Wait.
yes o Kwame Nkrumah jai won a wodi na chi the ministers the MPs and the Nkrofo e de we ja won e ye den na Rollins jai iti mensa wa bro kokko hu say iti mensa si ben ya ono president kura no on si bie
Wait.
yeah den na jai Akufo jai Professor Kasim Kasanga no chi Chachuchi kata sa Kwame Nkrumah the PDA by na nya de papa ti wanche ono ankasa ni ministers a pacho Professor Kasim Kasanga mafia woni me kura mabɔ ndin saa ma wate sa papa ne yema ne sika so mfa nkokra mango ndua mra ye ndua mango ewo Ghana ha Professor Kasim Kasanga ehwe nyame anim je Ghana ye sika $21 million all but on the mango dua tray
Someone here now, someone
ano pay me badwuma eno ade mama
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
hwe eti de koba ye nyina ne se ye jai Professor Kasim Kasanga Babefia Pacho Kufo wanche chachu wanche Victor Salome wanche Kwame Pepra ade no ja Professor Kasim Kasanga They are to close all Kwame Nkrumah and the PDA,
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Yembra Professor John Evans, 50 other mills. Peter, Ken Ofori say, Kwame Nkrumah the PDA by no. Ebenezer Akweje from 1959 to 1960, obey the foreign affairs minister. Yes, so one, you know. From 1954, equals 1961. Komala Agbuli, Bedema, then I am the finance minister. Yes, Kwame Nkrumah channel.
Tróuble.
But Nkrumah was using PDA to protect his own people.
Tróuble.
Kojo Kyeremanteng. Yes, Kojo Kyeremanteng wan go school da. Nyame na me wo no, enti nim but granted. Say Kojo Kyeremanteng wan go school da. But Kojo Kyeremanteng is the best trade minister from Nkrumah's time basically. Bonsa tie factory. A Bosu glass factory, Vaku, yay, name it, name them, name the factories and Nkrumah building. Kojo Kyeremanteng now one go school, Kojo Kyeremanteng, bra Kojo one go school, Kojo Kyeremanteng, yes, one go school, but Kojo Kyeremanteng, and our trade minister, oh, see, sir, factories and Nkrumah see ye na. Yes, see. Kojo Kyeremanteng Kwame Nkrumah chero. Don't forget say Ebenezer Akweje. Asa we make an Akufo Addo ye dey na mu ye. Kwame Nkrumah sesa no ma be interior minister just after 1 year mafia. Akweje be interior minister. Ana mo wa Nkrumah mpanifo na munim cheme no. Ena odi JH Alasani ebe interior later na gbedema efi finance eba ho ena ofa the chrome nzimani JB Ezwa in education Peter mama wo yebo nshew okofa brand bi o wa chimmem Kwame Nkrumah no, you're the local government minister. You're friend AA Ofori Atta. Kwame Nkrumah local government minister. You're friend AA Ofori Atta.
You're friend of saying
AA Ofori Atta.
You're friend of saying
who fear the Sudimechi. If you can say A.
You're friend of saying
Ofori Atta.
You're friend of saying
Wait.
Yes, see, Ofori Atta. Wakoto Pejo. I'm friend Pijo. Kwame Nkrumah wan chero.
Wait.
But Akufo time. Pejo 544 na. President Akufo kraba no. Not that time no. Mafia. Na car na Akufo kraba no. There is $79,000 US. Kofi Juma to 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Wachino.
Me na make upon court. That's why me can me was one top Joa.
Ghana for. Ghana for.
Yeah, see, Ofori Atta. Wakoto Pejo. Kwame Nkrumah cheno. But Akufo time. Kofi Juma to Pejo 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Wachino. Wachi braye.
Tróuble.
Huh?
Oti waso ne yesu no obi di nipa basekuna. Wo chante ya ye nya manye abe. Na me betom pe.
Now, what him say, Mafia? Your papa be a friend, Kesley Hayford. Ato Forson. Na and the Kesley Hayford.
I don't know.
Ato Forson one day met Rewase. Memo go be afi bai.
Tróuble ya shah. Shamaki shrai Yehowa. El ahenu Yehowa ekat.
Now, I don't know communications minister. I'm outside for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Maybe let me tell you a story.
Rura Kadesh.
I say 8 May. 8 May 1958. Kesley Hayford. Echo the then Ogwa Maheneho. Now, Oko Kepos Maheneho. Ena ode snap. Adaka mienu. Any sika 2 pounds. Mutia mi yo. Or the snap adaka mienu. That time tete snap no na shemu 6. Or the snap adaka mienu 8 May 1958. What I make a chero? Oh ye be ma bra betra ha me yen ma unkrata wo ho. Won se kro we wutimba wonimu. 8 May 1958. Kesley Hayford Echo Cape Coast Kostra Cape Coast Mahene. The time now all kono. Na opese one won wo ma sha ase. Nana Addo time former Greek minister. Ne papa. On matem ho no.
He is smart.
Asante Bediatuo.
Captain Smart.
88 May 1958. Kesley Hayford. Echo Cape Coast Mahene one man snap adaka me nsama akoma 12. Bottle makoma 12.
Captain Smart.
Any 2 pounds. No, there be sere mienu ye 2 pounds ada. Sere mienu, minim sere ye kano. Minim but men can 2 pounds na what you say. Kesley Hayford babedu ye no. Bisa said then the UP for no ye. The first political demonstration at AGD and then another that they couldn't break by you. The demonstration was on the 10th of May 1958. First political demonstration on my pedibiti akonya so. Yes, in Konya, and ye ho ye, and many pammy no ye. Our sad demonstration was on the 10th of May 1958. You could nipa 2. Oh, Kumasi Abontenso. But Mwana.
Someone here, someone here.
That's why I make him Mwana. Adi 10th May 1958. Near woman. Remember, near woman.
Wait.
Mafia, UP4 say. Kesley Hayford or ye Fantini. Wakosra Ogwa Hene. And a woman Ogwa Hene snap adaka mienu any 2 pounds. UP4 so Montia say. Pacho say Nanado Kofo Bawumia Alihu Mahama. So mo kop o mahini bi fi akwasara na ya mo de den eko.
Mama Mistiano. Na menchika.
But your den no mo de ko.
Mama Mistiano. Na menchika no.
Winning.
Enko baby aye.
Kwame Nkrumah convened an emergency cabinet meeting on the 15th of May 1958. Maybe your friend Cecilia.
Oh, I don't know.
Kwame Nkrumah time Baba Akufo Addo that's yase. Oh. Nan ne baye adwuma wo GTV. Aya nkrofo ke kansem hunu bi basabi fa maame ne ho se ma sa baya no on Rollins wo ba any den no maame no baba ko ba. Ena ne baba no me pese me bo ni din ni ti na di kan. Ono so wo baba ma ba ko pe. But I na Ghana for can yes Rollins and then wo ba. It is not correct. Take it from me. That issue nearly cost her marriage.
Ghana for
Mame was, I think, either an MP or later became a minister. I won't come up. 15th May 1958, and come Prime Minister Sina no say now wala about nake. About nake. What's Kwame? Now let me tell you this, Peter. Kwame Nkrumah catch the minister Sina said, "Don't call me Osajifo." Too huge a title. What frame Osajifo? Why you want to be Mama? Call me Kwame. And when a man bedema, a friend Kwame Nkrumah Kwame. Do.
Ghana.
Do for in Abufu bedema. So I didn't know friend Kwame.
No, do hano. Motua mamia, na motua manila and take van the boy.
I said, Debbie, I'm a man on from Kwame. Cause I'm a woman that. I will check it, Dean and Casa. Date the old Kwame Nkrumah and see Saturday. And we another day story. Kwame Nkrumah Nikufo. Day I will only assassin. And we another day story. Minka here. Eti de koba ye ina ne say. Kesley here for this say. Hey. Minuanom. Ma ko hin ni fi. Igwe ahemfu nyina na wotete gwadu yi. Nti se moto snap. Krope. Mezema nyimfa hin. Benkum hin. Oma hin. Oba hima. Asafuma. No roboboko. Na snap aketwa. Eba mfanta. Your friend Akatwa. Uko Asante your friend Srada. Akatwa kur Srada 1. Akatwa ya 1. Srada Asante ya 1. Pentu ya mienu awa Asante. Abonta ya mienu awa Asante. Na samara boto Akatwa kur. Ima himfu baby. Waburu baby.
He is smart.
I am for Bay Dunu.
He is smart.
Never more snap. Akatwa and Kuku baby. Kwame, my bon.
I'm not meant yes, and I'm doing I don't take
Kwame, my banana. Minya bon. And that was the very first time after the 15th of May 1958. That is when Kwame Nkrumah dispatched all the ministers. And Ghana for omo pen asem say monko na monko ka say Kesi Hayford onye bonibia. He was the communications minister of Osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. We a historian now we a lecturer bra better. Na ka che mam date foforo.
Monko na kwa ni
Men kan say minim bibia o but aya na ye me ya. Abutre ka sama na make na bi fi akire ho ba no. Abutre ka kro ya 70 na make. Mafia, Papa be one. Bessie, Nana Ghana for said I need baby free. Every say, or your Santini, every saw your Bruni, every saw your Fantini, every saw your Capimini, whichever way your friend your Bua Ferry. Or not a Bay Kwame Nkrumah Agric Minister. Sir, Greek Minister, no. Of course, she. Tróuble was a flower asare so ana. Sashi asare so. That time no more person more expanding cocoa production. And now Kwiani ba ko pese. Utwa abode. Now that time no na say we Greek minister e wo ka be your friend Abion. What did that? Sa Abion wa betri nsoso a wontimi ntwi Abion. Say, Abion car betcha kev waha. 3 hours. Abion. You guys, look, as I say, you Ghana bakwasem, near Jide, near maybe an enemy real necrophobia trotro, and you say Ghana no. And I am Yano. Mafia, Abion, Kakrakana, Edi. Yabu afari chiko seshi asare so ya de body dro body duro and a tomb emano the first minister e was asiswa ye suspended no Africa eh ye bo afere Kwame Nkrumah suspended no 3 days o man suspension letter se wo ko ye no ekuafo na mu no mu ni we o mu ni ba wo ko ye no we twa body e de ato abion abion na fa hwanko o di koko aba ye kodua na ko se hwiasan nso e na ekuafo na eji koko no kan se why are there je body duro na ye de body duro no to kan Kwame Nkrumah say ye bu afari be duru nkran no ne refi say ya ma no body duro wan koyi ma body na bere asai ososone in 3 days
Ghana, your beloved country.
Yeti ko hana hifu bi ka chen say DC is kura ba je akrante body banche ni ehwiegu kam pick up odwan otuadua we mi nkwachiri ni ami krom go mo tachiban me na Kweku bi cham ye pa light akogo mo tachiban DC ba ye bodawuro ye fa adobotwa ye ukunta shola wo he wada kunyan unkotu banche untwa bodzimra kwabra bai ne ye we wo he wada onyan awukwa awutwetwa bro fabra Kweku bi cham ye efa nso he wada onyan awu kunkwa he ya na hye kunkwa he me ye awolo ba wo kube tutukube bra anke kwa yeah no la we know he all the way to kan o bo fi kwa nchem ho all ba ka chen on to manken no fada eti DC ya o ba go mo atachimanya ye pen light keke mafia we obi akwa fo ba pato atachima fo mwa
na de no wo asi ne wo abufu Bawumia
o ba na oso mankani oso bode oso banche oso eburo de ye me ye pass be na Kweku bi chaba konwuro ma kokum otwen ye bedi otwe bi ni ankwan na e fa so atimi ahwanyame anim me na fa so be obi anyame fo akra say ba so otwen no de ye me yastel na e fa so atam otwen no asan de akwa akoto DC pick up go mo atachima polite yes Kwame Nkrumah the PDA by na Professor Mills Adeti and ono ye president what she say maye tua wa yomika na Kwabena Agyapong any mamere ye fan say the then education minister Betty mo di lisu etuaka went me anche wo hey president bi aba ko bia wa ye boni o mo bia nkasa da Professor Mills so onye so abofo bia wi mo fa free yeso if what Nkrumah did was wrong, what about Professor Mills? Or no, yes, sitting president of the land. He gave an instruction that do not pay this money. His orders were disregarded. Nobody respected Professor Mills. And that money was paid. Mebuana. Professor Mills. Pacho. I come around for day. I bet him all the do today. Why anyway? Mebua. Na to down kwa Akufo Addo. Debi ma me Kojo mama. Said your mama by before na na. Pacho RLG. Ya cheno.
Do the laptops bi ba.
Sa kwa ni ya cheno. Ya ndai. Say na mo. Sada, Jida, Dendenda, Rba, Adam Boom, it's it tin. Yeah, Omre. I don't know. No more chamber could be. Then the papa to Kufoso do the solo. No kofa, Malamisa, oh, Yan Pipini, or say, oh, Anya Guha, make it you. What tabla boom or trap once a woman? Malamisa, the other board. What I can't over there. Then back to Nanado. Nanado say Kwame Nkrumah the PDA aba. Wo money ni nyadwen na ocheche won. Ana yes ana Nanado kan. Oba first time Professor Aaron Michael Kwea.
Oh, I don't know.
Osi Kwame Nkrumah konso say the PDA buy no. On the next Speaker of Parliament, Mpachomboa. Bisa Aaron Michael Kwea said to the other so Parliament. Say Nkrumah time and Kaden no betro. Professor Aaron Michael Kwea. What time the na so Parliament no say na ye Kwame Nkrumah time and nka buku the title ye den. Things falling apart ampa. Iba medoka. And so Satam that you achieve near one, every grand I don't know. Professor Ron Michael Kwea. Come and come at the PDA by. Maybe you are born by 2 years, maybe how many times? 39. In 2 years, Mr. Pentecost, I saw them, he could a microphone, me phone them. Now, so far, I fit.
Yeah, what you know.
I have an saying. Now, at the body don't go. What channel calls me? Me share the way I suffer and the presiding elder, now. Which you say, trouble. That day, my fear, I joined service. It is Central 2 presiding elder, Kwabena Agyapong.
I don't know.
I'm here before the who Central 2. Mama Cassa says, at the SS Oliver, the Debbie, then at the SS Oliver. At the SS Oliver, they say, no Central 2 presiding elder. Oh, Eradina Coupon. And Adumaco. Joint service, district pastor Tiakonam, presiding elder, Sibiru to the chain. Where him say, no, that's what I'm saying. Now, Adumaco. On the AMC.
Oh, I don't know.
Me sorry, me good on me tonium Peter Dimeche. Na, obi a many a bring me tonium no abebo machi. Ono frem Kojo. A mic na to. Kojo. The mic na to. Na me the mic na to. Na wie nyom no. The who yan say the body don't question from. Pastor Tróuble Asifom. Yes, that day, Apostle retired. Kese, and so Mesrae. Eti, President Nede si, District Pastor si, Central 2 President Adorye MC to no to be in court. Eti, me the mic to Honana, or Opejanium, ne cross leaders the soom. Na, your mammy be, is it Augustina na Bibi, or Kokot Sententi? So no so say auto. And I catch him say. They say national security program by gate na no say. Omo hwehwe. That's all. Akufo Addo time na PDA ho.
Wache braye.
And enye wo kufu achi chatu aso dem Akufo Addo so na chin was all them.
Wache no. Wache braye.
He me nokure me nsuro ka. And I won't pay Kufu asam so nche me. It's one one started some friends say and wada. Oba no sorry. Pastor Sam na chime na PDA. Sir Kesley Hayford. Eddie and sir just 12 bottles of schnapps. Echo Cape Coaster. Bawumia one chama hinibika. Bawumia the car mono brand new car. Otchere Paramount Chief bi Ghana ha. Schnapps 12 bottles. Body dro edabium. Yebo afari. Bawumia na domo sorry ye edi won wofa say JB dan kwa o on de bi odakwa sorry ye e bo Kwame Nkrumah tiri so say Kesley Hayford or the snaps 12 bottles Peter or the Akoto check put na no mind
So
Baba me the car brand new under the NAPO and the Koche Paramount Chief bi okrum ha what do you say
yeah dream papa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.